11:30 and I have a lot that I want to get done today. Yesterday wasn't super productive, so I'm trying to start today with a fresh perspective. Now that I'm self-employed, I definitely try to look at my time about what I can get done rather than what I didn't get done yesterday, and this has really helped me try to motivate myself, especially when you're working on your own. So I'm just going to take you along today and share what I try to get done, especially when I'm not feeling 100% motivated. You know, we're not all perfect, but I think as long as we're moving towards the right direction, that is all that matters. So the first thing on my to-do list today is actually to stick together this PDF pattern. I'm actually doing an Instagram collaboration with this brand called Casper and their fabric company, and I've never worked with this PDF pattern before, so I need to stick it together, cut out my size, and then figure out what that looks like. Anyone else stick patterns together on the floor? I find it hurts my back so much. Cool, so I've just cut out the pattern and it's looking really cool. I actually ended up cutting out a size 12 of this pattern. It's a McCall's, I actually can't remember the name of it, but it's a fitted dress pattern. I'll make sure I'll leave a link in the description box. And I think I'm a bit nervous about sewing this because it is such a fitted garment, and I think I am definitely going to make a toil of this. Probably not going to make the toil today. I was going to cut that out and maybe I'll do that later, but I think the first thing on my to-do list was just to stick that pattern together and cut that out. So now that's done, I'm happy with that. So I'm actually going to be making this dress the final garment out of this really lovely Casper fabric. It's really pretty. As you can see, it's got this really nice blue detail. It's like an abstract print. And it's a cotton twill, and I think for the fitted dress it will work so nicely. So that's why I'm definitely going to make a toil, probably out of some spare cotton that I have lying around. I like to break up my sewing projects in different chunks and spread them across a few days, so I reckon I'll probably sew the toil of this dress tomorrow. But yeah, happy with cutting that pattern out. So the next thing I need to do today is actually take pictures of my recent make. I made this stacker jacket yesterday. I used a green cotton twill from Minerva and a champagne lining in the inside. And I literally just finished sewing that yesterday, so I'm going to take pictures of that today. So this is the jacket on and I really like it. It's really clean. I actually ended up not sewing any buttons on this to give a bit more of a stylish vibe. And I love how it's turned out. So what I'm going to be doing right now is actually trying to take some pictures of this indoors against a white wall. And I'm going to show you exactly how I normally do that. So what I normally like to do is actually use a tripod with my phone on it. Sorry about the boxes. And obviously we're going to be filming against that white wall behind. And normally what I like to do is use this app called Lensbuddy. And what it allows you to do is basically take loads of pictures on a self-timer mode. And it's just really useful. So this is literally how I normally shoot my photos. Just use a regular tripod and then I just press the button and I'll stand in front of the wall and it will just take pictures for me. So I've just finished taking pictures of that jacket and it turned out really well. I do actually normally take pictures in the living room, but I thought I would try out this wall in the bedroom just because the light is nice when it is sunny outside, which now it is. And yeah, so I had a quick scroll through and they look really nice. So I realized for this dress pattern I cut out earlier, it says to have lining and I don't have any lining at home. So I thought I'll pop to a fabric shop now and take you along with me. There's a local one not too far from here. I'll take a train, but they have quite a few fabrics. It's in Hermannplatz in Berlin, and I'll take you along now. Just wearing my new jacket I just made and a black outfit, and it's looking cute. So I'm in the fabric shop and I found this lining fabric that I think would work really nicely with that dress I cut out. So I'm gonna get this one. I think it's $11.99 a meter, which is actually quite expensive, but it feels really good quality and I love the colour. So I'm back from the shop and I got the fabric I was looking for. So I got this lining fabric, which will make really nice for the dress I'm thinking of making. And then I also couldn't resist and got this red viscose. It was on sale and I think that will just make such a nice dress or top. But yeah, I'm really happy with everything that I got. I love using champagne lining now. I don't know why, it feels a lot more luxurious. So I think what I'm going to do right now is work on my laptop. Yesterday I released the Jessica slip dress and it's been really well received. I love how that pattern turned out and I've got it online on my website and my Etsy shop. I'll link that in the description box below. But I also have so many other sewing pattern ideas that I just have in my head I need to realise. I did actually start working on this green shirt and skirt combo, and I'll put a picture of what that looks like here. I've only made a few toils of it and I was really happy with my last toil, but there's just a few things I want to change on the pattern before I try it again. So I think I'm going to go on my laptop now and make those amends, which should probably take an hour or something like that. So I'll see you when I get there. I'm happy with where I got to with that pattern adjustment. It's looking really good. I think now I feel like my day is kind of coming a bit to a close. I think I'm going to go to the gym and try and work out. Whenever I feel in a creative rut, I do like to work out or even just go on a walk around the corner. So yeah, that's what I'm going to go and do now. So I just got back from the gym and I honestly feel so much better. Whenever I do that, I just feel so much more motivated, and I always kind of like reflect on my goals and what I've done so far this week or month or even the quarter. So yeah, I'm glad I went, and I think that's the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoyed seeing kind of like a day in the life of what I currently do as a content creator and pattern designer. It is a work in progress. I'm trying to grow my patterns, grow my business, and yeah, it's going to be a journey, but I kind of want to document it a bit more. So I was thinking of doing more of these vlogs. Let me know in the comments if you actually like this type of content and you want to see more of this sort of personal vlog stuff from me, because I actually really enjoyed filming it. So it was fun to try something different, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one.